So Hornby, you just can't make an engine, can you? Standard class 4, brand new. Let's have a look at the old meter on the... See, it's all over the place. Terrible noise. Another Hornby motor, I would say. Only just fitted the details, and crew haven't accepted it after giving it a couple of days of running in. Almost immediately back on the layout, and it starts this game. So this is a Hornby R3548, which will be winging its way back to Curnow Model Rail Centre. Not their fault. Sounds horrendous, doesn't it? Half an amp now on the old ammeter. Good God.